Let's make this bookcase from IKEA in the Pro program. In this program, you can create any furniture you want easily and quickly. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description. I've already opened the program. I need some walls and floor. You don't have to do this. And now I'm moving to the corner of the room. Click twice on the wall. Dimensions, height. Let's make it 2000. Enter. Now our room has become smaller. This is gonna be very convenient for us. Let's click new element and then click on the left wall. Double click, position, left, bottom, back, everywhere has to be zeros. Okay. Click twice and dimensions. This is gonna be the left wall of our bookcase. So we need these dimensions. Width, okay, depth 400 minus 18 because there are fronts. Okay, and stretch it in height. Ctrl D to make a copy, put it on the bottom. So the position to the left will be 282. Okay, let's make a bottom and the roof. Ctrl D, Ctrl R. We have to rotate our element, Z-axis, rotate twice. And then stretch it in the length. Put it here, Ctrl D, and here. We have to raise the bottom. Click twice, position to the bottom, 60. Okay, again, Ctrl D, Ctrl R, X-axis, rotate twice, and then put it to the floor, then stretch it in the length, and we need to move it like this. Okay, now Ctrl D to this element, double click, dimensions, depth 4, position to the back 0. Okay, and then stretch it in height. None of the elements should be red. In Pro, you can create absolutely any furniture, including kitchens, wardrobes, and loft furniture. The program also makes it easy to create design projects like this. In my course, I provide step-by-step training on how to design any furniture and entire rooms. From scratch, under my guidance, you will learn how to work in the Pro program. We will also learn how to create product drawings, cutting lists, specifications, and estimates, as well as beautiful and presentable image. More details about the course can be found via the link in the description. We need some shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ctrl D, moving right, and this has to be smaller in depth. Okay, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Let's write the position to the bottom for this element. I'm thinking of 560. Okay, and now we have to distance our shelves, so hold down the shift on your keyboard and select all the shelves, and then click distance centers Y-axis. There are equal dimensions right now. I already have a drawer, so I'm using it. let's move it like this. If you want me to make a video about how to create drawers, you can write into the comments. Click on the drawer, then hold down the shift, click on the bottom and align bottom's y-axis. Then Ctrl D, align top's y-axis. And what about dimensions? And I forgot about right dimensions. Our bookcase is ready. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description. How to make milled facades and handles, I'll teach you in other videos.